Hi everyone and welcome to the course. For seminar number 1, we're going to be covering chapters 1, 2, 3, and 8. I want to review some of the important aspects of the course and the tabs that you're going to see right here. Here's the announcement section. The announcement section is going to be covering important information each week. It'll be giving you good information on what you need to clarify in terms of the expectations of the course. I usually post one announcement a week. You click on the Course Information tab. Course Information tab is going to contain the syllabus, the summary of the assignments. You click on the Faculty Information tab. It's going to contain information about myself. If you click on the Discussion Board tab right here, the Discussion Board tab is going to have the introductions, where you can introduce yourself to your peers, the question and answer forum, where you can ask any course-related questions, and this is the seminar participation. For the seminar participation, you're being graded on having at least 10 posts in the discussion board. Now, the post that you do for this assignment does not count towards your participation. Also, each post that you do, make sure to focus on having an in-text citation and reference to support your work, having at least one paragraph. You can respond to any of my questions that I post or to any of your peers, but you're trying to extend the conversation. In the course, all assignments are due by 11:59 p.m. It's very important to make sure that you submit your work on time, as no late work is accepted in the course. Also, all assignments that you submit in the course should be submitted with APA formatting. I have also attached an APA formatting sample guide that you can review. In the course, you're going to be looking at what I'm going to be grading on all of your assignments. I'm going to be grading a title page, your running header, in-text citation, and references. And make sure to focus on all of those aspects in your work. Now, in Seminar 1, we're going to be dealing with the basics of economics. And when you read chapters 1, 2, 3, and 8, you're going to be covering a lot of different topics. But for the current event focus, number 1, you're going to be looking at the following 2 areas that you're going to be focusing on. Any concepts that you're going to be looking on in chapters 1 through 3 or chapter 8. So what you're focused on with this assignment is you're producing an APA formatted paper that's looking at any of the concepts or news article or current event article that addresses any of the topics that we've covered. Now, with the rubric, I'd like you to review the rubric. Here's how I'm grading your article analysis. I'm grading it basically on the summary of your article. Also, you need to make sure to include a graph on your article. A graph is something that you can include if you copy and paste it from the book, another resource, the article, as long as you support it with an APA formatted in-text citation or reference. That's all that's required on that. I'm not looking for anything more than just having it in your paper. And when you submit your paper in the discussion board, make sure to attach your paper. Don't copy and paste it, because you're going to lose a lot of your formatting aspects. Make sure to follow all these components of the rubric, as this is how I'm grading your analysis. The next thing you have to do is the Case 1 study. For the Case 1 study, this is going to be 1 to 2 pages, and it's going to be the same exact thing. You're going to be doing an APA formatted document that includes all of these reflections. If you want to use subheaders, you're more than willing to do that, but make sure to focus on the terms that we're using for this week and bring it into your analysis. You also have the seminar participation. For the seminar participation, let me go to the participation component of the course. You're being graded on how you participate in the various aspects in the seminar participation board. And what you're looking at with your participation is you're focusing on having at least 10 posts over four or more days. Each of your posts should be APA formatted, And you should make sure to have at least one paragraph in analysis. If you can focus on those aspects, you'll do well. If you have any questions, please let me know, as I'm more than willing to assist with any questions that you might have. If you need me to pre-grade any of your assignments, please let me know, but make sure to utilize right here this APA formatted template I gave you. And all you have to do is basically just change your name. But if you have any more questions, let me know, as I'm more than willing to pre-grade any of your work, but I look forward to your effort in the course.